Hello, welcome to the video. If you're new here, I'm Lily, and if you like the video, please consider sticking around. Click that subscribe button to join my little YouTube family. So I'm really excited for today's video because, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be asking my boyfriend to pick my hair and makeup look for today. I've seen a lot of people do a similar kind of thing to this, so this is by no means my original idea, but I just thought it'd be a bit of fun to do. So I basically just had a scroll through Pinterest and picked out some hairstyles and makeup looks that I thought would be fun to try. So I'm going to send him 4 options for hairstyles and 4 options for makeup and see which ones he likes and picks for me to try out. So this is me in my completely natural form with no makeup, and this is my natural hair, and it's mostly straight but it is a bit frizzy.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, you?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, no, I had to mute it by accident.
Oh, for God's sake. Thank you for agreeing to be in my video.
But?
I've just sent you those 4 pictures of hairstyles to choose from.
Yeah.
So which one would you like me to do? Which one do you think would look nice? Which one are you most like, do you think's nicest?
The first one, the French plaits on the top here, right?
I knew you would say that one. The hardest one.
Yeah, that one's a nice looking one.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I'll have to spend an hour or so doing that one then.
Did you want me to go for the straight one, which wouldn't take very long at all?
Well, secretly, that's maybe what I would have wanted, but that's fine. It will look nicer in the end, so I don't blame you.
It will look very nice.
And I'm just going to send you the 4 pictures of the makeup looks.
Stick it on me.
Hang on.
Okay. Jeez.
Which one do you think? We've got a bit of a mixture in here. We've got the all over sort of rainbow look, and then we've got a more sort of detailed flower look, and then we've got like a glittery sort of look, and then like a dark smoky one. So
Right, so impressions. I'm not a fan really of the rainbow one.
you're not?
Well, I don't dislike it, but I don't really like it.
Aw.
The flowery eyes look cool, but it's either the last 2, I think.
Oh really?
You know, once we've got Matey Boy's got black eyes, hasn't she, at the top there?
Matey boy.
I reckon it's glittery eyes.
Yeah?
I reckon it's the glittery eyes one.
Okay. Sure?
Yeah, the last one.
Okie doke. Cool. Okay, thank you for your choices. I will maybe FaceTime you a bit later to show you the look that you've chosen.
No worries.
Okay, thank you.
It's alright. Have fun. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so he's decided to choose this hair look, which I kind of thought he would pick. I don't know, I just kind of had a feeling he would pick that one because it does look really nice, to be honest, but it does also look really tricky to do. So I'm not 100% pleased he picked that one, but hopefully I can get it right. So yeah, I think I am going to start with hair first and then do makeup after. Looking at the picture, she has got the 2 French braids up at the top, and then the rest of the hair is curly. So I think I'm going to start with doing the 2 French braids, which is the trickiest part, and then curl my hair afterwards. So I've got my trusty little hair parting device here, and I'm going to try and part my hair into 2 sections where the plaits are going to be. I do actually have a bit of a side parting, so I might have to change that to a middle parting so the plaits can be equal. Okay, so now I've got a bit more of a middle parting. So I'm just sectioning off the first bit of hair to do the first French plait. The problem is with my hair type and doing any kind of hairstyles, it gets tangly so easy, and it's such a pain. Like any sort of slight movement, it gets tangled. I'm already struggling and I haven't even started really. So this is going to be my plait. I'm not going to aim for perfection because I'm not going to get it. I'm just going to aim for something that looks similar.
One eternity later.
So, I am finally back. I think I highly overestimated my own abilities to do fringe plaits on the top of my head, so I did have to ask my mum to help in the end, which she very kindly did. So this is the finished hair look. I did curl my hair after the French plaits were put in, and it's not 100% perfect, but I knew we weren't going to get exactly like the photo. But yeah, I think it looks really cute. It's kind of giving me festival vibes. So moving on to the makeup look. I didn't actually expect him to choose this one. I thought he might have gone for the really colourful one, but he said he didn't like that one, which I was kind of surprised at. But this is the look that he did choose, and I do think it is really gorgeous. She's got the warm sort of orangey tones going on in the crease, and then a really beautiful pink duochrome sort of shimmer on the lid. So hopefully I can recreate this and do it justice. So I'm basically just going to really quickly speed through my base makeup, and then we can focus on the eyes. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to do the eyes, and I'm going to start by going in with a bright orange shade on my crease and blending that out, because in the photo it looks like she has this really warm orangey blend in her crease, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to really try and build up that pigment. And I am going to do one eye at a time so I can see how this one goes. And then I think I'm going to go in with a matte brown shade to blend into this orange to just deepen it a little bit. And then I'm going to go in all over the lid with a shimmery purple lilac-y colour. And I'm going to use a damp brush for this because it's going to help with the colour payoff. That's still quite subtle though. And then I'm going to take my Urban Decay Moondust palette, and it has this gorgeous shimmery purple in here called Magnetic, and I'm going to take my finger and put that on the centre of the lid. That is a gorgeous shade. In fact, I think I'm going to put that all over the lid. And I have just put a tiny bit of the silver over the top. So now I think I'm just going to take my blending brush again and try and blend those colours together. And I can't really tell from the picture whether she's got anything on her lower lash line, but it does look like she has a bit of eyeliner. So I am going to take a bit of that orangey shadow and bring it onto the lower lash line a bit, and then go in with a black eyeliner. So I'm just going to take my black eyeliner now and line my waterline. And I think I'm going to tight line my upper eyelid as well. And I think looking really closely at the photo, it does also look like she has a tiny black wing. So I am going to try and do a sort of small smudgy wing with this eyeliner. So I think that's the eye done. And I'm going to hop off camera, do the other eye real quick, add mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, so the eyes are all done. This is what they look like up close. So the very last thing left to do is apply an orangey coloured lipstick like she has on in the photo. Okay, so this is the look that my boyfriend chose for me all done, and I think overall it looks really nice. The fact that I had to get my mum to do my hairstyle wasn't the best, but there was no way I was going to be able to do these French plaits by myself. But yeah, I think the two looks that he picked go really nicely together, and neither of them look exactly like the photos, but that's fine because it was more of an inspiration, to be honest. But I do really like the makeup. I think this is a look that I would actually wear again, to be honest. He's ignoring me. Hello.
Hello.
It's taken me all this time to do it.
Is it? How long has it been?
I don't know, hours. But I had to ask Mum in the end to help me with my hair.
No, it looks really nice. I like that. I like the makeup as well. It looks really good.
Yeah? Do you think I did it justice?
I do, yeah. It looks really good.
Thank you. My curls have kind of dropped out now, but do you like your two looks overall combined?
Yes, I do. Look really good.
Thank you.
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you, bye. So anyway, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big like and consider subscribing down below. Remember to click the little post notification bell so you can be notified when I next upload, and I will hopefully see you in the next one.